morning, all of you. Today, discuss lines and angle of class 9. Find in the given figure, in question number 1, first line and second line. First line is AB, other line is CD, transversal line is T. Intersects AB at E and CD at F. This angle is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, and this angle is 5, angle 6, angle 7, and angle 8. If angle 1 is equal to 70 degree, angle 1 is equal to 70 degree, given AB parallel to CD, T is a transversal line intersect AB at E and CD at F. CD at F. Find the angle 1 is equal to 70 degree. Find the measure of each of the remaining marked angle. Find the measure of each of the remaining marked angle. यानी आपको केवल इसमें एंगल 1 दिया हुआ है. फाइंड एंगल 2, एंगल 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Given is AB parallel to CD. Transversal is T. We know that angle 1 equal to angle 3. Vertically opposite angle are equal. Also know angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree from linear pairs. We know that angle 1 plus angle 2 180 degree linear pair. Linear pair. 1 is 70 degree. Putting the value of 1, 70 degree plus angle 2 180 degree. Angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 70, 110. We find angle 2 110 degree. Okay. Now vertically opposite angles are equal. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 3, which is 70 degree, and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Also it is vertically opposite angle. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4 is equal to 110 degree. And this angle is also 70 or this angle is also 110. Now find angle 5, 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Again angle 1 is equal to angle 5, angle 2 is equal to angle 6, angle 3 is equal to angle 7 and angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Angle 1 is 70 degree, so angle 5 is also 70 degree. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6, 110 degree. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7, is equal to 70 degree. And angle 4 is equal to angle 8, 110 degree. All 8 angles are fine. So, region of this angle, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are okay. Next question. Prove that क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इसको आपको सॉल्व करना है. ABC is a triangle in triangle ABC, bisector of angle B and angle C meet at the point O. This bisector and this bisector meet at the point O. To prove, आपको प्रूव करना है एंगल BOC means this angle BOC is equal to 90 plus हाफ एंगल A. ये आप प्रूव करके हमको दिखाओगे. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ABC is a triangle. AB produce at the point D, AC produce at the point E. Okay. Exterior angle CBD and BCD bisect, meet at the point O. Okay. This angle is equal to this, or this angle is equal to this. Bisector of angle CBD and angle CBD और second angle BCE meet at the point O. Prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half angle A. आपको ये प्रूव करना है कि BOC is equal to 90 minus half angle A. Question number 4. Prove that sum of angles of a triangle is 180. Okay. Thank you.